like to talk to you today on our feed update about low moisture protein tubs. We carry two different types of tubs. We carry a 25 all natural and we carry a 30% and 13% NPN tub. The low moisture tubs are more consistent in the intake. So they will go about a 3/4 pound consumption. The tag reads a 1/2 pound to 1 pound consumption. Part of the tubs, feeding tubs, is a management program. We use it in a complete nutrition program. If your grass has some standing grass or you've got a lot of hay, tubs will work really well with you on helping with protein supplementation to your cows. If your grass looks like the 18th green of Augusta National, you are not going to need a tub. What we want to do is take that tub out and place it outside of the haying area so the cows will drift out away from that area. Controlling the tub intake will help with that. Also, what tub work really well with, if we take the tub and if we have some tall standing grass, older grass, rougher grass, we can move the tubs towards that area and they'll stay out in that area and graze that rougher, older grass. The other thing is, what we found out is we only want to put one tub out for 20 to 25 cows. If we put too many tubs out, that makes the bigger surface area, which makes the cows intake more product. The tub's going to run $93.49 a tub. Now if you break that down cost per head per day, that's 31 cents per cow per day. Our 3013 is going to be $88.49. You break that down, that's 20 cents per head per day. So then we decided, well, let's figure out that 2 cents. So what we did is we took that 2 cents per head per day, and if you have 100 cows, that boils down to $2 per day.